Isn't it amazing to earn money?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby.
All you have to do is enter the email address of your PayPal account and you get your earnings. Make sure this app is available for Android and iOS and only paid through PayPal. So other platforms does not work. Other payment methods does not work. If you don't have PayPal account, simply go through to www.paypalaccount.com and make a new account for yourself. It's all free. Sharing also pays. So if you use your referrals and my referrals, you can make earnings too. Make sure you download the correct app, and the logo is, as I'm going to show you, it's that. It's just this one. It's showing 2022 and dollar signs and a square. And if you're gonna download some other app, it's not gonna work. It's this one only. The app name is Make Money. I will share the link in my description. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.